If you're looking for a business phone system that works in the cloud, chances are you have come across CloudTalk. But is it actually worth using, and who is it best for? In this video, I will cover CloudTalk's key features, its pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's the right choice for your business. And for now, let's get started. What is CloudTalk? CloudTalk is a cloud-based VoIP phone system designed primarily for customer support teams, sales teams, and call centers. Instead of relying on traditional phone hardware, CloudTalk lets businesses make and receive calls through desktop apps, mobile apps, and web browsers. It is used by companies that need professional call management, international phone numbers, and integrations with CRM and help desk platforms. Key features: International phone numbers. One of CloudTalk's biggest advantages is access to local, national, and toll free numbers in many countries. This makes it easier for businesses to establish a local presence without opening physical offices around the world. Call routing and IVR. CloudTalk includes advanced call routing tools and interactive voice response or IVR. This allows callers to be automatically directed to the right department, reducing wait times and improving customer experience. Call recording. Calls can be recorded automatically for training, quality assurance, and compliance purposes. Managers can review conversations and identify areas where agents can improve. Analytics and reporting. CloudTalk provides detailed reporting dashboards that track metrics such as call volume, wait times, agent performance, missed calls, average handling time. These insights can help businesses improve efficiency and customer service. CRM integrations. CloudTalk integrates with popular platforms including Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Zendesk, Freshdesk, and many others. This allows teams to access customer information directly while handling calls. AI features. Recent versions of CloudTalk include AI powered tools such as call summaries, conversation insights, and automated note generation. These features help reduce manual work and improve productivity. Pros: Easy to set up. Since it's cloud based, businesses can get started quickly without investing in expensive hardware. Strong integrations. The large selection of CRM and customer support integrations makes CloudTalk a good fit for existing business workflows. Good call quality. Many users report reliable call quality and stable performance when using a strong internet connection. Scalable. Whether you are a small business or growing a call center, CloudTalk can scale as your team expands. Useful analytics. The reporting tools provide valuable data for managers who need to monitor performance and improve operations. Cons: Can be expensive for larger teams. While CloudTalk offers powerful features, costs can increase significantly as more users and advanced features are added. Learning curve for advanced features. Basic calling is simple, but setting up advanced routing, automation, and analytics may take some time. Internet dependent. Like any VoIP system, call quality depends heavily on the quality of your internet connection. Some features limited to higher plans. Certain advanced tools and AI features may require more expensive subscription tiers. Pricing. CloudTalk offers multiple subscription plans aimed at different business sizes and needs. The exact pricing can change over time, but generally the higher tier plans unlock advanced analytics, automation features, AI tools, and deeper integrations. For the latest pricing, it's always best to check CloudTalk's official website. Who should use CloudTalk? CloudTalk is a good choice for customer support teams, sales teams, remote businesses, international companies, growing call centers. However, if you only need a simple business phone number with basic calling features, some lower cost alternatives may be sufficient. Conclusion and final verdict. So, is CloudTalk worth it for businesses that rely heavily on phone communication? The answer is yes. CloudTalk offers strong call management features, excellent CRM integrations, detailed analytics, and useful tools in modern cloud-based platform. Its biggest drawbacks are the pricing and the fact that some advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. But for customer support teams, sales organizations, and call centers, it remains one of the stronger cloud phone solutions available today. And that's all for this video. If you find helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.